Dear faculty members, in this video we learn how to create the online test by using the TestMoz website. So first step, that is, we have to open the Google Chrome. Just type the website name, that is testmoz.com. So this is the website where we can easily create our quiz. So we have to click on the pricing tag. So these are the features which are freely available inside the TestMoz app. So up to 50 questions and up to 100 students appear for one test. So it is a free of cost. So no need to buy the particular subscription. So you can use the free version to build the test. So just click on the build a test. Here you have to write the name of the test. For example, I will give the name as Web Technology Second End Term Test. So this is the name I have given. Just create the password. For example, 12345. Again retype the same password, 12345. So remember this password so that whenever you again log into that particular test by using specific URL, you have to just enter the administrator section by using this password. So just click on the create text. So here these are the different steps which can be used. So first one, that is adjust setting, second add questions, third publish and distribute, and fourth one, that is you can view the result. So first one, that is just click on the adjust setting. So here we are having the different basic settings. So we already given the test name, then just write the description. For example, this is NTerm test. Then select the color theme whichever you want. Again, here there is an option that show all the tests on one page, or you can also choose the show one question per page. So we just select the first one. Again, you can click the randomize. Here randomize the order of the questions during the test. So the question ordering is shuffle. So here after test finishing it, we can display the message, that is test is completed. Okay. Again, you can set the custom message. For example, suppose if we can choose the passing percentage as 40%, and you can display the message that successful completion of test, and if fail, more efforts required. And at the end you can display the score, test outline, display the correct answers. Also you can display the explanations if you are adding. Then here, to whom we can give the access to the test. So anyone who enters a passcode. So here you can give the passcode. For example, I give the 2020, or I can give the 100. So this is the passcode which has been entered by the user whenever he will give the test. Again, here we can set the time limit, for example 30 minutes. Here you can set the number of attempts, then one attempt. Here you can give the, or you can enter the information from the student. So here you can put as enter your name or enter your roll number. So you just take the roll number because it is very easy to extract the result. So other facilities are disabled for the free version, so no need of that, and just click on the save. Okay, so it directly goes to the questions. So here click on the questions. You can insert one simple question. For example, here these first three options that are four options that are available, that is first, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 options are available. Survey is not available inside the free version, so we just choose, for example, multiple choice questions. So here I just add the one question: what is the full form of WT? So here I just give the choice: web technology or web tech or WHO technology, or none of the option. So you can click on the right answer. So here I just click on the right answer. So in this way I can write the or mark the correct answer. Again, you can insert the second question here, true or false. So for example, PHP is case sensitive. True or false? I just choose the true. So in this way, these are the two options that can be two questions. So you can create such 50 questions in one quiz, and then go to the publish. Then here you can click on the publish button, so that this particular URL that is coming, so copy the URL, copy the link, and just remember this URL. Also remember the passcode, so that you can circulate this URL and passcode to the student who will attempt this particular test. So again click to the open, because in free test we just have the first option, that is open. Then here again you can download the particular copy of the paper in the Word document. So I just download the particular document in the Word format. So it just give the whole paper with answers in the Word format. So again here, after that, here you can view the results. So inside the another window, I just paste the whatever the URL which I have copied. So just click on that and just enter the roll number. For example, I just enter the roll number 100, passcode 1000, and click on the start, so that student have appeared this particular GUI for the test. So student can click over here then click over here, then time remaining, it just show the number of marks for each questions, and then click on the submit button. So it will get the particular message that is test is completed, then your score is 100%, that is 2 out of 2, and after that successful completion of the test, and after that student can log out from this test. So whenever any student attempt the particular test, the administrator having the entry inside the result. So just write the administrator password, click to the login, and just view the result. So here, so I just put into the desktop mode. Okay, so here it just show how many responses are given by the student, then what is the roll number, then how much marks, then start on, finishes, then time, and the number of questions which are attempted, whether it is a true or false. Again, one can download this result by using the point grid option. So here the result is downloaded in the .csv fashion. So just click on this file and click just open with the sheet, Excel sheet. So here it just show the roll number, then start date, time, percent, earn point, then whether the answer is correct or not. So in this way you can easily conduct the test of 100 students by using the TestMoz website. Thank you.